welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be sorting out these chairs. I'm basically going to be putting a wooden seat on them. I'm going to cut out a template out of cardboard and then mark it up onto a bit of wood that I've got and then cut it out with my jigsaw. I've got several other bits of wood that I could use, but let's see how it goes. Okay, we'll start by marking up the seat on the template. Okay, that's that cut out roughly, and then what I'll do is just cut out the back bit, or mark out the back bit. To mark out the back bit, I'll just have to put this on top, make sure it's in line, and then draw around this section again here. Okay, that's about right now. Now, time to mark it up on the wood. Okay, I've got my template, and then I've got my bit of wood as well. This is what I'm going to be using for cutting out the seats. So let's mark it out and then cut it out with a jigsaw. I'll take the template right up to the flat edge and use that as the front of the seat. Now I'll take it outside for cutting. Great, that's that cut. It just needs a little bit of tidying up around the edges and sanding down. But let's see if it fits. Great, yeah, it fits. So all I need to do now is just sand it down. I'll seal it with some penetrating oil and then screw it from underneath and screw it in place. Okay, that's all sanded now. It was just really deciding which side's the best, because there's embellishments on the wood on both sides, as you can see. So I think that's the better side. So I'll seal it all first and then screw it in from underneath. Okay, that's them all cut, smoothed off around the edges. Now it's time to seal them. I'm going to use this Owatrol Penetrating Oil. It's a natural look, and you can use it outside as well. So just in case, I keep these outside at any point. This will work well. I've used this before on quite a few jobs. I'll put a link in the description below and you can get some for yourself. I think I'll seal them outside and then I'll bring them back in here just to dry out properly. That one's got the grain going the other way compared to all the other ones. I'm not sure which one's better. I'm sure no one will notice. Okay, I've just brought them inside just to dry out. Okay, they're now dry. Now it's time to fit them onto the seats. I've got these washers and I've got a screw, and I'll just basically screw it from the underneath of the chair into the wooden seat using the washers. I'll put the wooden seat down first, and then I'll put the chair over the top I'll make sure it's exactly in the right position, and then I'll screw it from underneath. There's holes there already, which is great, so I won't have to damage the chair at all. And then all I'll do is put the washer over there and then the screw through there, then screw it onto the seat. Okay, I put 2 in. Let's just check it's in the right position. And it hasn't come through the top. Oh, that's great. I might put a couple of other screws in just to secure it firmly. What I found was screwing it with the chair the other way, I couldn't quite line it up properly. So I'm going to screw from the underneath. Even though I can't see where I'm screwing, I'm sure it will be a bit more accurate to make sure I get the seat nice and level and in the right position on top. And I can always turn it up the other way and screw the screws in just a little bit further to make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, that's 1 screw in now. Let's get the other screws in. It should stay in position while I turn it up the other way. Great, that was quite a quick and easy job to do. Didn't take too long in the end. It's all ready for the summer, but when the weather's nicer, I can put these outside with my table. So yeah, thanks for watching, and remember to give this video a like.